This is me, and if you see this, read that.
It's mine. This is Leif trick shooting. And actually, that's
no.
mine.
And actually, this is Lena, but she told me to write it, so stop. Lena. So, we're going to be trick shooting with this. See this helmet? Right here? I'm going to be standing right here. Okay.
Yeah?
Let's get started. Wait, I got it.
Okay.
So,
What?
let's get started. Hold it right there.
Okay. You haven't got a score.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. Oh, it blends in. Okay.
I made it. Woo! Now I need to reload. Sorry if it took so long, because I haven't done trick shots before. Sorry.
I can't really hear
I need to practice more.
Why do I need all of it?
What?
Why do I need
Nothing.
I know, but why do I need all of it?
My sister's being weird. She's so weird.
I don't know why I want to. Why?
Different location. Hold your hand over the camera. Hold your hand over the camera.
I don't need to.
Yeah, but we have to. Nope. Right there.
Hey! Why?
We're moving locations.
KG. And you don't know where we're going. What is that? Open?
Move. Leave the helmet right behind
Then they won't show you. Oh, the helmet's right there. Okay. Huh? See if you got any.
Did I?
Let's see. Nope. Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
I'm so sorry.
Nothing. Nothing. Ooh. Okay. Where? Are you gonna see if he made it?